Hi, I'm Bruce Collins. I'm a Senior Director of Product Line Management at Cambium Networks. So we're very excited about the new 4000 series from ePMP. This is really going to be a game changer in the performance and scale that you can do in an economical, significantly inexpensive way to deploy these scalable networks. We're offering both a 5 gigahertz version and a 6 gigahertz version. The 5 gigahertz version, again, is multiple gigabits per second in a sector, and you can now start offering your subscribers 250 meg packages, 500 meg packages, even 1 gigabit per second packages using 5 gigahertz. We're also very excited about 6 gigahertz as new spectrum that's going to become available in the US sometime in 2023. We have products today that our customers are trialing and testing using experimental licenses. And what they're able to achieve is more than a gigabit per second out to 1.5 miles, even 2 miles to these subscriber modules using production hardware all ready to go as soon as the FCC opens up this band, which is really going to be kind of a land grab and a game change as far as how do I deploy very high capacity to subscribers in this new clean spectrum. So a couple things that are very important to think about when you look at the 6 gigahertz product from Cambium. One is that we cover the entire 6 gigahertz spectrum. There's some legacy products out there that kind of use some older technology that taper off at 6.4. We've created this product using the latest generation chipsets. They give you full power all the way through that 6 gigahertz spectrum. So there's 850 megahertz of new clean spectrum that you'll be able to take advantage of with the 6 gigahertz product. So I'd encourage you to take a look at our website. You can learn more about the 6 gigahertz product line, the ePMP product line, what's happening with the 4000 series. If you're interested in 6 gigahertz, reach out to your Cambium representative and we can help you understand the process to go about getting an experimental license so that you can start to learn more about the coverage, capacity, and performance that you can see with 6 gigahertz in anticipation of the FCC opening up the band for full commercial access.